Mzima Mzima kana nyarari ya Afrika muthoni wa wainaina na uria ugikoragwo akiri mutangathi kana sports journalist thiini wa Kameme FM na oho ni agikoretwo akihitite muno makiria ni rwimbo ruria ruikaine maisha no maya na ruria mainire na kuruga wa Wanjiku. Rucini rwa umuthi ni akoretwo akiri mukuhitha kieha giake na maithori make riria agugikoragwo agikiririkana Joseph Kamaru ni thabari yake iria agikorwo akimuteithia na muno makiria wini na mataro maingi maria agikorirwo agikimuhengera riria agikoragwo agikina. Na Mzima agikorirwo agikira nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria mbica ya Kamaru na ici nicio ciugo iria agikorirwo agikiuga: if wishes were horses, I wish this legend would be alive to witness maisha no maya hit song. His prophecy, ngoma imehit, imenice wa Kenya back home na diaspora, heading to 6 million in 6 months. Dad, your daughter is shining under your blessings since Fair Jam. I remember you told me gwema haria werekeire na ndukanatuike kiguoya thu citikaga thabari-ini no gwema tu haria werekeire. His exact maiden words as he invited me to co-host him wa Makumi Njata TV drive show. I wish I can access the interview. Asante mashabiki wangu kwa support. So much surprises coming up. Stay tuned here. Ja blessings. Continue resting in power. Mwarimu wangu Joseph Kamaru. Na niguo Mzima agikorirwo agikiuga arakiririria tu korwo Joseph Kamaru no agikorwo agiki witness uria agikorirwo agikimu professor ni aguthie haraya na rwimbo ruru rwa maisha no maya ruria rukiri na makiria ya views 6 million kana milioni 6 aria bagikoretwo magikirorera rwimbo ruru kwa ihinda ria mieri 6 na agikorwo agikiuga kuma riria agikorirwo agikiruta rwimbo rwa Fair nyaririkanaga mundu gwitwa Joseph Kamaru agikimwira agweme haria we erekeire na ndagakiage gugikorwo na guoya ni tondu thu citiagaga thabari-ini no agweme haria erekeire na agikimuririkana ta mwarimu wake na mundu wagikorirwo agikimuhe mataro thiini wa industry ino ya wini na hau ota mutugo mafanza matina ria mari gugikorwo magikiumiriria Mzima na gukimwira athie na mbere na gukiruta wira mwega wa wini ta mundu gwitwo Stacy Waweru aikorirwo agikimwira no worries, he's watching over you from the skies and he's very proud of your achievement, keep winning. Pastor Beth Kaifas agikorwo agikimwira mataro master way to continue resting well, giving your life to Jesus was so timely. Rikeri witu agikorwo agikimwira how I love his songs, continue resting in peace. Mzima more grace, your songs is on another level. Na Honorable Sarafina Kinyanjui wa Darugo World agikorwo agikimwira you are going far, trust the process. Mzima, this is your season, God's favor is upon you, glory to his name. I'm so happy for you, may the soul of our regent Kamaru continue resting in peace. Na ikorwo agikiuga #maisha no maya na #kafa awakened. Nake mundu ungi ugwitwo Lita Muthoni Njeru agikorwo agikimwira may he continue resting in peace and may you continue shining dear. Mwandiki marifoti agikorwo agikimwira rest in peace Mataro Mas. John Mwangi Bogu agikorwo agikimwira regents will never be forgotten. Ruth Mwangi keep shining girl, that was truly a prophecy indeed. Gai atore akugiteire. Nake Joy Hope agikorwo agikiuga continue resting Mataro master wa watu wengi. Mzima ni thabio few attentemente na acio ni andu aria magikorirwo magikiumiriria Mzima magikimwira athie na mbere na gugishina kuona ni atuikite nyarari iria ikoretwo igishine muno makiria thiini wa industry ino na makiria muno mugithini. Na macio no mamwe ma maria tukiuma namo kwa ihinda riri, na ni undu wa news ici na ingi nyingi ngakuheana gitio ndukariganirwo ni gusubscribe haha nyarari ya Murang'a no tuguthi na mbere na kumenyithia maria marathi na mbere na kuhanikana muno makiria guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Nie njitagwo nyarari ya Murang'a, ni ngatho.